Greetings from Kimberley Boarding School, Panchkula. I'm the principal, Dr. Colonel Atul Bandari. Today I'm going to speak about this obsession many parents have with grades, marks in school, college, university, etc. and their infinite love for degrees, as if the degrees are a passport to being a success in life professionally and personally. Believe me, there are other requirements which are required for being a success in life. For example, resilience, the ability to get along with people, the ability to take correct decisions, and a horde of other issues. But today I'm going to speak to you about why is this obsession there. At times it intrigues me, and I think possibly it is an attempt from the parents to ensure that children leave home quickly, fly out of the nest so that their responsibilities are over, that my dear son, you have done your exams well, now you're equipped, please fend for yourself, look for a job and off be with it. Possibly it is not so, but that is the impression it creates in one's mind, that there is a huge amount of emphasis the parents have on ensuring the child gets good marks. Are you aware that every day about 30 to 35 students commit suicide in India every day? And these are happening in the so-called premier places. For example, in the IITs, they're happening in Kota, which is a top coaching center in the country. The answer is obvious. The reason is obvious. It is because of the excessive pressure we put on the child, that you have to score 95% and above if you want to survive in life. And that is something which is very, very far away from the truth. Let me name a few companies. For example, AOL, Google, Bank of America, Hilton, and various other companies, IBM, which have publicly announced over a year back, officially it has been told to their HR departments worldwide, that henceforth they will not even be considering the academic qualifications of a person when he or she comes to them for a job. Why so? Now please realize that these are the apex countries which are right at the top, and they are definitely aware of what they are doing. So if they have decided so, it is because research after research is proving to the world that academic scores do not guarantee being a success either in your professional life or in your personal life. So my dear parents, please get over this obsession of grades and marks. Just because a child is an MBA or a PhD or XYZ does not translate into him or her being a success in life. In fact, you're doing quite the reverse by putting a stress on the child and not having the child have developed the other fine qualities like resilience, and wherein the ability to get along with people, the ability to take decisions, the ability to stand on their own feet, the ability to bounce back in life, the ability to come through problems and ups and downs of life. It are these things which will help him or her in life more, and these somehow are not taught by the parents at all, are not taught by many schools at all, are not taught by any principals at all. Most of them do not even bother to give even a rupee's worth of a lesson on such issues, because the parents, like the principals and the teachers, are obsessed just with one thing: marks. Parents, we mean good to your child. Please realize that just cramming knowledge is not going to help him or her. Knowledge is freely available on Google, and maybe more accurately than what your child can give out. But what is not freely available on Google is the sanskar, the values, the ability to bounce back. Please teach these things to your child, and that is what will help him or her in life. I wish the parents should think about this, reflect upon what I have said, and ensure that they do their best to give the things which matter in life. Marks don't matter so much. The other values, the sanskar, matter much more.